Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get HSN summary in Tally Prime. To begin, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. A quick way to access the GSDR1 report is by pressing Alt+G, which opens the Go To menu. From there, simply type or select GSDR1 and press the Enter key to proceed. If you prefer the traditional navigation, start from the gateway of Tally. Select Display More Reports, then proceed to Statutory Reports. Within this section, you will find GSD Reports. Choose GSDR1 from the list and press Enter to open the Goods and Services Tax Return 1 report, which contains your HSN summary. Once inside the GSDR1 report, navigate to the HSN/SAC summary section and press Enter. Here, you will see a detailed table including HSN or SAC codes, descriptions of goods or services, and total quantities. The summary also presents the total taxable value, along with integrated GSD, central GSD, state GSD, and cess amounts. Remember to press F2 to change the reporting period if needed. To customize your view, press F12 for the Configure options. You can also press Ctrl+H to change view, allowing you to group the summary by HSN or SAC code, description, or both. For compliance or further analysis, you can easily export this summary in formats such as Excel or JSON. Always ensure your stock items have accurate HSN codes for precise reporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.